If you've ever seen those yoga sandbags but have wondered how to use them, then in the rest of this video, I will show you 10 ways to use yoga sandbags in restorative yoga practice and why you would want to use them. Hi, I'm Melissa from Yoga with Melissa. I teach real yoga for real people every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Pacific. And when you subscribe and press that little bell, you will get some great short videos coming into your YouTube subscription feed, including why do my joints pop and crack in yoga and when I move, and the untold secret of why we practice restorative yoga. So, why would you want to add another yoga prop to your restorative yoga? Well, sandbags, why they work like a weighted blanket. They simulate deep therapeutic touch, the kind of hands-on pressure that relieves anxiety, tension, and stress that accumulates in our bodies. The weight causes the body to produce serotonin and endorphins, which our body naturally creates to feel calm and relaxed. They are beneficial for anxiety, for restless leg syndrome, for PTSD, depression, menopause, premenstrual syndrome, lots of things. So there are 10 ways that you can use a sandbag in a restorative yoga practice. And I'm going to show them to you now. So 1, you can place a sandbag on your belly in Shavasana to move your thoughts out of your head and down and into your belly brain. Also to deepen your breath into your belly. Number 2, legs up the wall can be incredibly grounding through your torso. However, when you place the sandbag on your feet, it also becomes grounding through your feet. And it's useful to use a smaller sandbag or have a friend place the sandbag on your feet in this pose. Number 3, child's pose. Place the sandbag across your lower back to deepen the calming quality of this pose. If you have 2 sandbags, you can place one along your spine between your shoulder blades as well. Number 4, reclined bound angle pose. You can help coax the breath down and into the lower belly and open up the hips by placing the sandbag between your lower legs and down into your lower pelvis. Number 5, a reclined twist. If you have tight shoulders, you can place a sandbag along your shoulders to release the tight shoulders, and also a second sandbag along your hips to ground down through your hips. Number 6, a knees up prone position. If you place a sandbag along your upper back in the prone position, it can be like having an acknowledging, compassionate hand, affirming your practice. Number 7, in fish pose. This can be a great pose to experiment with grounding with the sandbags through your forearms and your hands. If you ever feel like you're spinning out in circles and you're about to float off into outer space, this is a great antidote. Number 8, the psoas release. So here, if you place the sandbag across your psoas in the long bridge pose, it deepens the psoas release, and it also helps to deepen the emotional release and calm that's possible through psoas releasing. Number 9, a side bend. If you place the sandbag along your side ribs, it helps to deepen the breath awareness to those intercostal muscles or the side body, opening up the 3-dimensionality of your breath. And number 10, a prone twist. Maybe because I've suffered with migraines for a lot of years, but I discovered that there's nothing quite like placing a grounding sandbag on my head. I discovered this with an ice pack, but if you try it even with a sandbag, it's really nice. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, give yourself a thumbs up and put "I feel weighed down now" in the comments. I have a special gift for you as well today. If you go to melissawest.com/anxiety, I will give you my 7 best days of yoga for anxiety. And I made the sandbag myself. It was super easy. Let me know if you'd like a video on how to make your own sandbag too, and I'd be happy to make a video on that. Namaste.